Hey, what's up guys? Ed here, US Elite with Velocity Systems. We have our contact over here, Lainey. She is awesome. She's helped us out a bunch of times. Got a big question for her. Lainey, what separates Velocity from all the other plate carrier brands out there? I mean, we love the brand, but what would you say really makes you guys different?
I would say the quality as well as the idea behind everything. It's really keeping the end user, the person who's actually using it in mind, as well as just how different and how adjustable everything is based on each different training, mission, department, and goal of what something's being used for. It can be adaptable to that.
Absolutely. And also, don't you guys get your input directly from the end user? Isn't that a big source of your information where right off the ship, right off the plane, they come to you guys and give you guys feedback?
Yes.
Very cool.
Yeah.
That's a huge differentiator. Like I said, we love Velocity. Lainey's a huge help. We love Lainey also. Check the brand out. Let us know what you guys think. See you guys.